If you know me, you know I am all about eco cleaning and being cost effective and minimal waste. So if you are into those topics, or if you just want to know how to clean effectively and safe, you need to grab microfiber wholesale products. And I have a link that will give you 15% off your first order and free shipping. So check it down below. I will hook you up. I own a professional cleaning business in the Pocono Mountains, green certified, award winning. I love what I do and I love sharing cleaning tips, especially eco-friendly, pet-friendly, kid-friendly, non-toxic cleaning. These products are amazing. So follow along YouTube, TikTok, Instagram, Facebook, my website, my Amazon shop, Crunchy Cleaning by Kathy. I will get you a discount for microfiber wholesale products that you are going to love. Well worth it. High quality, great investment for cleaning tools. So follow along, Crunchy Cleaning by Kathy. Check down below and stay crunchified clean.